Lutron, as the inventor of the dimmer, is the leader in the lighting control space. I'm Lee Travis with Wipliance, and today we're going to explain the differences between Caseta, RadioRA, and Homeworks lighting control systems. Caseta is a DIY solution designed for homeowner installation and small square footage applications with a limited color selection. The first of Lutron's professional lighting control solutions is RadioRA. It's a wireless solution designed for small to medium projects, expandable with additional color and control options. The expanded control options include the Seetouch and Sunnata engraved and backlit keypads with full system capabilities. Homeworks is Lutron's luxury product line. There may be several reasons why you'd want to consider this for your project. The reasons to consider this product are its versatility of being wired and wireless, new construction, large applications, expanded controls including Palladium and Elise keypads, lighting solutions such as Ketra and Evalo, panelized lighting for more serviceability in new construction, and personalization of conditional statement programming. To learn more, contact us at Wipliance, meet with one of our representatives who will help you determine which is the best solution for you.